and welcome to another video. I was up very late last night and I got extremely drunk while editing. Whatever you do, don't edit while having a drink. You come up with stupid shit like this, and I definitely used my final brain cell.
It's the final brain cell.
So this morning I had to do a little bit of voiceovering of my voiceovering because I wasn't making any sense, not even to me. So here we go. I have voiced over a little bit, but most of it is what I did last night after having a ton and a half of vodka. So ladies and gentlemen, you join me today on our world record attempt on the Surrey Leaf challenge. You'll notice my bonnet there and a leaf will just fall on the bonnet. Now the question is, how long can I keep that leaf on the bonnet? Yes, how long can I keep it on the bonnet while driving? Not just sitting here, while driving at 30 and 40 miles an hour. The timer will start as soon as the car gets going. So basically, as soon as we've got a green light, the timer will start on the left-hand side of the screen. So if you want to try this challenge, the rules are your car cannot be wet, the leaf cannot be wet, and you cannot place the leaf. The leaf has to be dropped onto your car, and you do have to drive the majority of the time. So it's pretty simple. Yes, and I do not know why I'm shouting. This is me today. Anyway, we're going to start the challenge now. And we're going to play some music because even I can't talk too much about a leaf being on the bonnet. So now we go over to the studio to see Roy and Norris to see if we've broken the world record. Yes, so there we have it folks. That's what I did last night after having a few too many drinks. But if you think that you can beat 2 minutes and 23 seconds, you know where to send the videos. Yes, so don't drink and edit folks, because that's what happens. Anyway, I wonder if it'll catch on. Not that long ago we were throwing buckets of cold freezing water over our head and that went round the world. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching guys, and if you stayed to the end you must be as soppy as I am. Thanks a lot, see you on the next one, bye for now.